Hello there, I'm here to tell you that the second World Veterinary Association Global Animal Welfare Awards, supported by Ceva, Sante, Animale, are to take place in 2018. They will be part of the 34th World Veterinary Congress being staged in Barcelona. Here are all the details about the dates. But at the moment, we want the nominations. There will be one vet who will receive an award from each of the 6 regions represented by the WVA. We've had some amazing nominations and winners in the past. I was there at Incheon in South Korea last year to meet those winners on stage. So get in your nominations and then we will be following up with details of how you can attend the ceremony itself. See you there.
Where we're meant to be.